In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link databases in Notion. If you've ever found yourself wanting to connect different pieces of information across your Notion workspace, this is the perfect tutorial for you. By linking databases, you can create dynamic and interconnected systems that make managing your projects, tasks, and information a breeze. Let's dive right in and explore how to achieve this. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you have or want to create your databases. Creating well-organized databases is essential, as these will form the backbone of your Notion workspace. If you don't have a database yet, start by clicking the icon on the left-hand toolbar to create one. Choose the type of database that best fits your content. Tables are great for structured data, while boards or galleries may suit visual content better. Make sure each database has the relevant properties you need, like text fields, dates, or categories. This helps in filtering and tagging later on. Once your databases are set up, you'll need to ensure they have at least one common property. This shared property will act as the bridge between them. For example, if you have two databases, a projects database and a tasks database, both could have a property such as project name that you can use to link them. The next step is to pull data from one database into another using the relation feature. To do this, go to the database where you want to create a link, let's say the tasks database. Click on the beside your existing properties to add a new property. Choose relation as the type. Now, you'll be prompted to select another database to link to. Here, choose your projects database. You'll immediately see an option to relate these databases using the common property you have set. As you do this, a new column will appear in your tasks database. This column lets you select items from the projects database, creating direct links between them. This ability to connect the relevant tasks to their respective projects can be incredibly useful, especially when tracking the progress related to specific work. After linking the databases, you have the option to show records in the linked database using the rollup property. Set a rollup property in your projects database, selecting the initial relation and then choosing what you want to roll up. For instance, if you want to see all due dates from the related tasks in the projects view, you can do it here. Finally, don't forget to customize filters and views to see only what's necessary. By making use of Notion's filtering options, you can tailor your workspace to show, for example, only projects with outstanding tasks, or high-priority assignments, whatever suits your needs. And there you have it. With these steps, you can seamlessly connect and manage complex collections of information in Notion, enhancing both productivity and clarity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more empowered using Notion's linking capabilities.